Hey, it's Seth with Rough Country. Protection and privacy is always a priority when developing your vehicle system, and Rough Country's 270-degree awning with wall kit is everything you need to get that dialed in. Assembling your 270-degree awning and the wall kit is straightforward and simple, and honestly, that's one of the best features of it as you're trying to set it up either by yourself or your family member or whatever it may be. So we're gonna unzip it here, undo these two buckles, let the awning roll out. You can grab one end and take it the full circle. And this is gonna provide you with 70 square foot of full coverage. The purpose of this awning is to be freestanding. So that means you can have it tightened up with the ratchet rope that comes with your awning kit. So whether you have a platform rack like here on the Bronco, a bed rack on your truck, whatever it may be, find you a good point to loop that in and just tighten it down, and full freestanding awning right there. And already installed on the awning is one telescopic aluminum pole just for extra structural support if you need it in high winds. In regards to the material of the awning itself, it's a gray 600D Ripstop Canvas, 2000 PU waterproof, and 50 plus UV rating. In regards to the core strength and structure of this awning, it's got heavy duty hinges for an easy open and close. Your wall kit comes with 3 additional telescopic aluminum poles that you're gonna wanna install right before you add the wall kit to the awning. And then you can just release those and stick them in the ground for that additional support you need for the weight of the wall kit. We've got our awning set up, so now we're gonna install our 2-piece wall kit. When you're taking the kit out of the package, make sure you locate the hinge cutout, and that's gonna be your initial mount point right here under the hinge. Attaching the wall kit to the awning is simple and straightforward with a hook and loop system. So you just follow along and apply it in a uniform way. As we're finishing up our second wall onto the awning, we've gone ahead and opened up the door. That way it'll fit around the spare tire, or if you have an SUV or a truck, open that up for easy access to the bed. We're gonna finish Velcroing, and that will be the assembly of the wall kit. The material of the wall kit is a 420D Oxford Canvas, 2000 PU waterproof with an anti-UV of 50. This wall kit has 3 windows and 3 full zippable doors. One right here, one on the tail end, and also one on the side of the cab for easy access to get all your gear. Each door and window has a 2-piece system. On the windows, you have a zippable waterproof material to be able to close, as well as just having the mesh liner to have a nice breeze coming through. And then on the doors, you can also zip that mesh up for easy access in and out. The awning kit comes with a full set of ground stakes. You can stake off each piece of the kit itself. Each side also has a tie down point, and it comes with the attachable string that you need to pull down and leverage for rain runoff. As you can see, Rough Country's 270-degree awning and wall kit is everything you need to enhance your experiences outdoors, and you can get it now at roughcountry.com.